5 new birds facts. Number 1. Bald eagles build massive nests. Some are over 9 feet wide and weigh a ton. No. 2. Some birds sleep while flying. Their brain naps mid-air. The frigate bird can do this. No. 3. Roosters have built-in earplugs. They shut off their ears when they crow, so they don't go deaf. Number 4. Penguins have knees. They're just hidden under all the feathers and fat. See? Right there? No. 5. African gray parrots have human-like intelligence. They can learn hundreds of words, solve puzzles, and understand emotions, just like a 5-year-old child. Now, you're welcome. Now stay tuned for more animal facts.